Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants. We're here, we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you'll find right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button, and I always recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell. And all that's going to happen is YouTube will notify you once that I just uploaded a brand new video. It's something I use and I enjoy, and I always want to make sure that you guys know about it as well, because I do upload a lot and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button and ring that bell and you're all set. Also, right under the video there is a thumbs up. That's where you guys get to participate with me by sharing that you're enjoying my content. And when you press that thumbs up, which takes a second right under the video, that number is important on the YouTube platform for the growth of a YouTuber. So I'm thanking you in advance that you're telling YouTube you're enjoying my content, and then this way you will be helping me grow on the YouTube platform. All right, today's day is another one that I had a find that I wanted to share with you guys. And when I ended up getting it, sometimes you get lucky when you go to a store and you can't find something, so it pushes you to go online. And when you're online, there's a level that you need for free shipping. And that's how I shop anyways. So I was sent to Walmart.com with my Milani kit that I found that got sold out on Milani. If you're not familiar with those stories, I will leave those two videos because those were two fantastic kits and they were $14.97 each. It was an eyeshadow, a lip liner, and a gloss. All Milani, all fantastic. I will leave those videos right underneath in the description bar that you guys can check it out. So I was sent by Milani to go to Walmart.com. They said the one that they weren't able to ship to me would be on stock there. So that's where I went and I was able to pick it up. But on Walmart.com, the free shipping plateau I think was around $35. So, and that was only $15, and I already bought the other $15 one from Milani, which I already shared with you guys. So those will be two separate videos because they came at two separate times. So now we're at Walmart.com and I'm on there. I'm able to get the Milani palette that I wanted, the monochromatic one. It's in my cart. And then there was something else that I wanted, trying to think what it was, that I put in my cart right away. See if I have it on here. Yeah, so what ended up happening was I had to find $15 more. As I'm scrolling through, I see something from Wet n Wild, and I enjoy Wet n Wild during the holidays. First of all, their pricing, not even during the holidays, is insane. I love their eyeshadow palettes, the ones that come in that plastic container where you get to see the colors on both sides, and then two of the colors are on an angle. They're really great dupe for the colors of a lot of the ABH palettes and stuff. So I love those. First of all, they work phenomenal on an oily eyelid. I have no trouble with it. And I like to take those when I travel because those are only $5. And if they get damaged, I can always go into a drugstore to pick up a duplicate. When I travel with my more expensive palettes and they get damaged, my heart just drops. So that's where I started finding out about the Wet n Wild, and each one I started to enjoy more and more. Then for the longest time, it didn't look like this, this lip product. It was in, I think it's called, give me a sec, I got a new toy, which is a magnifier with a light on it. And this one is really, really good. And this one is called Bare It All. And I learned about this one, believe it or not, through Tati, who we haven't seen in a while. But this was years ago. So she swore by this. It's what's on my lips right now. And this is a fantastic, fantastic one. And this is now a fancier packaging. The packaging that I had was just solid black. It didn't have this cute little, you know, the Pat McGrath type of, you know, packaging to it. But these are also always in the store, like at $2.99, and as you can get them on sale for $1.99. They're an absolute steal on their own. So I found a kit for a bunch of these for a certain price, and when that arrives, I will do a video and share that with you. So I was still short, so I said, okay, because that kit was so inexpensive, which is Wet n Wild. But I said I really wanted that, and I wanted to have it to share to the channel. So when I get it, I will show it to you. The only thing negative with Walmart.com is I placed one order for 3 different items and all 3 came separate. And one of the orders was this new product that I knew nothing about. And I said, you know what, I'm going to give it a shot, because if you're familiar with me at all, you know how much I love my Philosophy. And Philosophy comes out with these fantastic fragrances, and really during Christmas time, they go all out. And this reminded me the packaging about it, but I couldn't find anything information on it. So while I was on the website, this was one that really caught my eye. It was a 3-pack. I think it ended up being around $14 or $15. And it is called, the brand is called Find Your Happy Place. After I ordered it and I have it coming to me, I started going online to try to find out more about the brand. And it's saying it's a brand made by Unilever, but I think it's made exclusively for Walmart, because there is nothing else on here about where it was manufactured, like nothing. So we'll have to see, but that's my understanding. So if you guys know anything different, definitely share it with me. But what they wrote, which I thought was absolutely fantastic, it says, find your happy place home for the holidays. This deluxe bath collection, which is nutmeg and sweet cream. And I couldn't resist with those 2 fragrances. I thought this would be perfect. So I got 3 items in here and I paid $14.97 for them. So let me first tell you about the items. It says, believe in magic with this moisturizing, cleansing, and exfoliating deluxe bath body care collection scent. It is scented with notes of nutmeg, pumpkin puree, spiced chai, and sweet cream. This hydrating body lotion works to moisturize your dry skin, leaving it soft and smooth. The nourishing formula is paraben-free and dye-free, with 3 times the blend of shea butter, cocoa butter, and vitamin E for this non-greasy texture. The liquid bath and shower gel washes away the dirt and germs, leaving your skin feeling clean and refreshed. And this nourishing formula is also paraben-free, sulfate-free, with 3 times the blend of shea butter, cocoa butter, and vitamin E. Then they have a whipped body scrub, which buffs away dry and dull skin, revealing smooth, radiant skin. It is a gentle exfoliating formula. It's sulfate and paraben-free, with 3 times the blend of shea butter, cocoa butter, vitamin E. It says, use this skincare daily anytime you need a joyful moment. Find your happy place. Remind us of the places that feel the most connected. These places are where you will find your strength and peace and things that make us feel good. So this perfect gift was, I told you, 3-pack. So this 3-pack gift is a limited edition fragrances, and they had different fragrances. These were the ones that screamed to me that I really thought that would be nice. And I think this one they also said is called Believe in Magic. So there is a dual use body wash, and the body wash, where are you? They have a bath and shower gel here. And then they have, it says a dual use body wash lathers into a rich foam and shower or pour in your bath for a luxurious soak. This bath and shower leaves your skin feeling clean and refreshed. The cleanser is 3 times blend of shea butter, cocoa butter, and vitamin E. They have a gentle exfoliating body scrub, which is this huge tub here. And this one says, it is a scrub, buffs away dull patches for smooth and hydrating, and 3 times the blend of also shea butter and cocoa butter and vitamin E, and a whipped body scrubbed. And then they have the hydrating body lotion moisturizer, which is her. And this one says it is for soft, smooth skin. Indulge your care for your dry skin as well. And there's also, again, 3 times of the shea butter, cocoa butter, and vitamin E, and a fast-absorbing, non-greasy lotion. It says, breathe in the notes of the aromatic nutmeg, pumpkin puree, spiced chai, and sweet cream with this deluxe bath collection. And they're saying this was all inspired by a girl named Brianna from Kentucky. And she said, this Find Your Happy Place skincare products puts you into your joyful mind place. So I was so excited because this reminds me of the packaging even of Philosophy. And trust me, Philosophy is not 3 of these pieces for $14.97. So, and that was shipped, you know, to my door at that price. So really excited to have the opportunity to tell you that this is now available. I'd never saw this before, and when I was online looking for you know, things just to fill up the cart, this is what really intrigued me. So let's take a look in here. There is no safety seal on it, but it is really beautifully packaged. Yeah, and you can smell the nutmeg, you can smell the sweet cream. This to me is Christmas in a bottle. So that I thought was really, really nice. And then let's see if there's a safety seal on this. This is the bath and shower gel. And if you look, it has almost like a glisten to it. Same thing. Not as strong, but same thing. And then on the final one, this is the body lotion. And that also, it's very lightly scented. The one that has the most scent, I would say, is this one, but I'm definitely going to give this a try because I'm a bath girl, and anything that I can do to create the bubbles and give me that scent is what I love. And then I love afterwards to be able to do the bath scrub as well as finalize it with a lotion. So when I can do all three, and for this price, I thought it was a win. So when I find something that I think is a great deal, you know me, I want to always share that with you guys. So once again, this is called Find Your Happy Place. I found it on Walmart.com, and for these three pieces, I paid $14.97. All right. Once again, as always, I appreciate so much that you guys take any time out of your day that you choose to spend it with me here, so thank you. But more importantly, during this time, it is so important that everybody continues to stay safe so we can all stay well, and I will see you all soon in my next video. Take care, and bye-bye for now.